What's up, everybody? So we're gonna try and film this real quick and knock it out of the park. I've got an exhaust hanger that I need to repair. One of my belts broke on it, and then I've got a starter to replace on the Chevelle. And you'll see both of those in this video, and should be a good one. So we're gonna try and make this work. We've got an exhaust hanger that needs to be repaired. I went ahead and painted everything already, so everything's all cleaned up, ready to go back on there. One of these broke, one of these rubber straps. They just age, crack, break. I don't have the best method for it. I don't think, but I do have a belt. So we're gonna see if that'll work. Take into effect that exhaust is going to stretch that belt a little bit. So I want to cut it a little bit shorter than this one, so that we've gone ahead and taken care of that. That being said, I realize I have everything out here, I think, except for my belt. So let me go grab a belt. Alright, so I've got the belt here. I think this went together. Freshly painted. So go ahead and get a measurement on this guy. Alright, so there's that. Now all we gotta do is go drill a hole in this. I might actually do two of these stacked up on each other. Here's that one. So there's that one. We'll go ahead and kind of cinch these down a little bit. Had to get a new battery. The camera died for a second. Pull that starter out and put a new one in. we got this little guy right here pulled out. That was the cause of all of our problems. Starter. There's the starter. Right down there. Right behind that is better. There's an exhaust leak over here on this side. I don't know if you all can hear it, but I can. Yeah, right back up in there somewhere. There's a leak.